Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 5th of October 2021. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Hope your week has gone well for you so far. So Bitcoin continues on this nice rally here. I mean, moving up more than, if we measure from last week, which was, what was last Tuesday, the 28th, the open of last Tuesday to the high of today. That's up at 22.8%, almost 23% in a week. So that's a pretty substantial drive, pretty substantial move. Now, question is it going to continue to break out? I mean, the things needed to really fulfill that bullish breakout, the ideal Ichimoku bullish breakout, is really a return to a level that brings the lagging span above the candlesticks and in open space and the close above the cloud. So that's been fulfilled. Basically when I got to 49,175, that fulfilled all of those conditions. The other is that ideally span A is above B, but as long as span A is curling up and span B is flat or sloping down, that's perfectly fine according to those rules. Now when we look at the RSI, it's at 61.65. So it's in between the overbought conditions in a bear market, which are 55 and 65. So it hasn't broken out above that yet. And we still have hidden bearish divergence on the price chart where we have higher highs in price, lower highs in price. So we have the high here on September 7th to the current high here on the 5th. Relate those to the current levels, those same levels where those peaks are at in the composite index, where we have the 6th high is lower than yesterday, the day before, yesterday, and today. So that's hidden bearish divergence. And then you have it topped out above 0.8 here. So there's some definite concerns regarding the longevity of the move here, because if we want to get into a condition where it's a very clear bullish outbreak without breakout without any type of major bearish divergence present, then what we'll want to see is a high above the September 6th or 7th high, and the RSI also going above that high. So that's the ideal level. When you look at the weekly chart, I mean, it shows very much like there's a likely breakout to occur here, but at the same time, on the weekly chart, if you want to see a sustained move higher, we have almost everything present, okay? You have Senko span, future Senko span A is above B. The close is above the cloud. The close is above the Tenkan Sen and the Kijin Sen. But the lagging span is not yet above the candlesticks. The lagging span, basically, we need to get to new all-time highs. That's what has to happen. It has to close at 60,682. That's where we have to get to on the weekly chart in order to confirm a strong, consistent, and persistent bullish breakout. The RSI on the weekly chart is fairly flat here. It's still in bull market territory, at least on the weekly chart. 40 and 50 are the overbought conditions. I still have it set here for the bear market, but 40 and 50 are the support oversold conditions in a bull market, and it's found support against 50, but man, it looks like it could be under threat from moving lower. And as long as the lagging span is below the candlesticks, things are going to continue to be kind of hairy up here. But again, once the lagging span breaks above the candles, and if we're presently where we're at, I mean, you could see a pretty explosive move here in the very near future. So just keep your eye on that. But otherwise, that does it for me. From all of us at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.